Good morning, students. How are all of you? Hope all of you are fit, fine and healthy and enjoy your vacation very much. Okay, so let's start our class. Firstly, tell me what is the date today? Today is 26th of June. 26th of June, we are celebrated as International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Mean by that, 26th of June we are celebrated against some harmful things which are not good for our health. Okay, which organization organized this? UNO, United Nations Organization. This organization celebrated this day. Okay, the question arises from this question ki what is the basic difference between World Day, International Day, National Day? What is the difference between them? Okay, so World Day is just celebrated in this entire world. International Day mainly just celebrated in few countries, and the National Day is celebrated in a specific country, like 15th of August we are celebrated, and this is our Independence Day for our country. So this is the National Day. Okay, so these are the basic differences. Okay, let's turn to our questions. For today, the question is, recently the NASA Perseverance rover has successfully landed on which planet? So, in which planet the NASA Perseverance launched? And your options for this question are Mercury, Mars, Jupiter and Venus. So in which planet? Okay, the answer is Mars. On Mars, the NASA Perseverance rover has successfully landed. And NASA, what is the full form of NASA? National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Where it is located? It is located in Washington DC, which is the capital of USA, United States of America, and this DC just stands for District of Columbia. Well, the president of USA is Joe Biden, yes, and the vice president is Kamala Harris. So probably all of you know about this. Okay, so let's turn to our chapter. We are going to learn about our chapter Quiz on India, which is from page number 22. And the first question is, which state is called the land of five rivers? What is the name of that state having the name of the land of five rivers? Five rivers means? Five means Punjab. Yes, the answer is Punjab. Because of this, the five rivers meet together and form this landmass, so that the name is Punjab. Panj means five and Ab is just a Irani word, and Ab means water. So there are five rivers meet together in Punjab and form this state, so that the Punjab is a very fertile area and growing a lots of crops like wheat, rices, lots of crops are grown there. Okay, so and what is the name of these five rivers which also flows in the Punjab? The name are Chenab, Jhelum, Ravi, Vyas and Satluj. These five rivers meet together and form this landmass. Okay, so that the name is Punjab. Okay, so everyone understand this? Well, the second question is, which state's name means the abode of clouds? Abode of clouds means lots of clouds live together. So what's the name of this state? The options are Manipur, Meghalaya and Sikkim. So the answer is Meghalaya. Because of this, throughout the year in Meghalaya always rain is falls, so that the name of this state is abode of cloud. So Punjab, five rivers are from there, and abode of cloud named Meghalaya. Okay. The next one is, the Red Ribbon Express is on a journey to spread awareness about AIDS, a life-threatening disease. What is it? So what is the name of this? An aeroplane, a train, or ship? The word used there, Red River Express. And the express word is used for? Used for? Priyanka abhi kya? Used for? Well, used for a train. The express word we are mainly used for the train. And this train is just used to the spread out the awareness about the AIDS. So the answer is train. What did D. Uday Kumar, a professor, designer a new symbol for what? New symbol for Indian Railway, Indian Army, or Indian Rupee? So D. Uday Kumar is just generated the new symbol for Indian Rupee. So the answer is Indian Rupee. So everyone understand this? Aradhya Purvi understand this? Well, the next question is, which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Silicon Valley. So all this question is just mainly related to our country. So it's a really very interesting chapter. So Silicon Valley of India. What is the name of that city? Bangalore, Pune, or Gurgaon? Silicon. Silicon is just an element. You heard this name in your computer classes, where your first generation computer, after that the second generation computer. First generation computer we mainly used vacuum tubes. After that transistors are used, and in these transistors silicon chips are used for the conduction. Okay, so silicon is mainly an element, and the name of that city, which is named Silicon Valley of India, is Bangalore. Okay, so everyone, the name is Bangalore. Jeenat Ruya, understand each and everything? Yes. Well, the next question is, which city is well known all over the world for its film industry? There are mainly two types of film industry, the Hollywood and Bollywood also. And this Bollywood is in Siddhi Aishwarya, is in Mumbai. Everyone know about this. So the film industry is in Mumbai. Well, the next question is, in which city is the Indira Gandhi International Airport located? Indira Gandhi Airport, most of you obviously visited. So the Indira Gandhi Airport is located in New Delhi. It's a really very simple answer. So it's located in New Delhi. Okay. The next one is, in which state is the Bhabha Atomic Research Center located? Bhabha Atomic Research Center, which the founder of this institution is Homi Jahangir Bhabha, and on 3rd of January 1954 he formed this institution for the Atomic Research Center as a. So in which state it is located? And the options are Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and West Bengal. So what is the answer for this? Maharashtra. So in Maharashtra, this Bhabha Atomic Research Center located. Okay. The next question is, this is the second largest inland city in India. It is also the capital of Andhra Pradesh. So it is the capital of Andhra Pradesh also. So the options are Hyderabad, Madurai, or Visakhapatnam. Basically, Telangana is separated from Andhra Pradesh on 2nd of June 2014. At that time, Hyderabad is the capital of both the states, Telangana as well as Andhra Pradesh too. But now, Andhra Pradesh having three capitals, some are judicial and legislative as well as commercial also. And the name of these three one is Visakhapatnam, Amravati, and Kurnool. So at present, Andhra Pradesh having these three capitals, and Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Okay. So answer for this question is Hyderabad. Okay. Next question is, which of these is the longest river bridge in India? longest river bridge in India? Obviously, it is located in our Bihar, and the name of this Mahatma Gandhi Setu. All of us obviously travel on this bridge also. So it is in our Patna, Bihar. Yes, and the name is Mahatma Gandhi Setu. Okay. So next one is, which cities have Jantar Mantar? So some cities having this Jantar Mantar. Very of you visit this Jantar Mantar, mainly in Delhi. So what is the answer for this? Delhi, Jaipur, Delhi, Agra, Jaipur, Mumbai. And the answer is Delhi, Jaipur. The next one is, which of these is a hill station in northern India? Matheran, Munnar and Mussoorie. So northern India. So northern India, what is the name of this hill station? And the name is Mussoorie. Mussoorie is really a very nice place. Most of you always visit this Mussoorie, and the answer is Mussoorie. Okay. So this is all about for our chapter. It's time for homework. Okay. So firstly, tell me, what is the name of your country? India. Each and everyone know about this. Yes, India. And India is further divided into states. Yes. And in which state you live? Bihar. Yes. So the name of your state is Bihar. And after that, that states is further divided into districts. So your question is, what is the name of your district? What is the name of your district magistrate? As well as where your district headquarters located. So you have to give the answer of all these three questions, which is written here in the comment box, which is given below my video on YouTube also. Okay. So all of you give the answer of these three questions on the comment box. Okay. This is your homework. Hopefully all of you enjoy this video. Have a nice day to all of you.